In another video, we'll look into the total actual build quality of the CMF Phone 1 by Nothing. In this video though, we will have a thorough look into the actual liquid resistance of its newly segmented design with parts which can be removed. Will this new design be able to handle all our usual liquid abuse that we throw at all devices that we water test? In the oleophobic bath test, fortunately the CMF does well. If not, it wouldn't have been able to pass to the next round if it did suffer any kind of speaker issues, which unfortunately some devices have. In the ongoing light splashing round, the CMF Phone 1 has yet to show any audio issues, which may be the first step or sign towards permanent liquid damage, which will be a costly affair if you have not gotten insurance or total damage protection. Also, it's a good thing that there are still no signs of any problems from a multitude of temporary liquid issues that a device might face during the onslaught of liquid abuse. We are talking about weird stuff like camera fogging issue, screen flicker, black screen issue or headphone icon issue and such. There are a few of them other than the worst case scenario of permanent liquid damage, which will be a major monetary loss for you. And that is the reason why investing in total or liquid damage protection is a must, especially if you are an unsafe user. As you can see, the newly segmented design of the CMF Phone 1 has faced none of the previously mentioned issues, even after our usual thorough process of liquid abuse. Great job by the makers and engineers. Also, in the long term, it's been 6 months since this test and the CMF Phone 1 is doing good.